In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wix Support from your dashboard using live chat. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reach a real support agent right from your Wix workspace, so you can get help with design, payments, settings, or any feature you're stuck on. Start by heading to wix.com and logging into your account. From your list of sites, open the one you need help with. You can work from the site dashboard or the Wix editor. Both give you quick access to support. If you have unsaved work, it's a good idea to save before moving on so nothing gets lost while you chat. Look to the top right area of your screen near the Publish button. You'll see a Help option or a small question mark icon. Click that and a Help panel or overlay will open. This panel is the central place where Wix organizes guides, articles, and direct support. In the search bar inside that panel, type Wix Support, then press Enter. This helps filter the results to official support channels instead of general articles. You'll still see helpful resources, but your goal here is to access live assistance, so narrowing the list saves time. Next, look for an option labeled Wix Support, Chat with Us, or Start Chat. The wording can vary slightly, but the function is the same. It connects you to a support agent. Click the option you see. You might be prompted with a few quick questions about the area you need help with, like design, payments, or account settings. Pick the category that best matches your issue so you're routed to the right team faster. When the chat window opens, describe your issue clearly. Include what you're trying to do, the exact error or behavior you're seeing, and which browser and device you're using. Details like Chrome on Windows or Safari on iPhone help the agent pinpoint the cause more quickly. Send your message and wait for the agent to respond. Response times can vary, so keep the window open. Follow the agent's instructions step by step. They may walk you through checks, adjust settings on their end, or escalate the case if it needs deeper investigation. If they ask you to make changes in the editor, open your site in another tab so you can follow along without losing the chat. Move carefully, save your progress as you go, and let the agent know what you're seeing after each step. That's it. You now know how to contact Wix Support directly from your Wix dashboard whenever you need help. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more Wix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.